need to assemble. Crane truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Crane truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's install the roof. Now we need to wash it clean. Crane truck. We did it! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Hooray! Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's finish the walls. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Ready. Hooray! We need to assemble. Bucket lift. Amazing! Filling. Bucket lift. Press the pump. You're doing really great. We need to protect the house from foul weather. Now we need to wash it clean. Bucket lift. We did it!